Hello YouTube. Restocking. So, the first chick's nearly a week old. The birds are eating more than double what they usually eat. It'll go to triple somewhere along the line. I've got wheat sprouts, mashed boiled egg, porridge. Babylon likes porridge. Here are water cracker biscuits. Both birds really like water cracker biscuits. I tie them in some fine bridal tulle, and they'll eat through the tulle for the thing. That way they get to eat the whole biscuit rather than take one bite, have it crack and the rest of it fall to the bottom. Snow peas. They've already eaten 8 pods of snow peas today. Corn. So far they've only got maybe a quarter of a cob. But in a week or so they'll probably be eating up to 2 cobs of corn a day. Millet spray. Millet spray and seed. Normally my birds only get 2 teaspoons of seed a day and 1 small millet spray, but they'll eat probably a couple of tablespoons of seed a day when they've got the babies. This is the Queen of Random. 1 hour after she hatches, and she's got a fat full little crop. Cute as. Okay. This is day 8 from the chicks hatching, so Skittles, chick 1, is 8 days today, and this is Skittles. His eyes just starting to open, and you can see the grey feathers are starting to sprout on his wings. This is chick 2. Actually, you can also see his fat, full crop. Look at that. His great big belly. He's getting towards the homely stage. You can see his crest sprouting too. He's going to have a grey crest. Okay. Chick 2. Chick 2 is Dizzy. Put your head up for us, sweetie. His eyes will start to crack open tomorrow. Now, this one's going to have a yellow crest. You see the little crest is just starting to sprout, but you can't really see any colour to it at the moment. And he doesn't have a lot of grey in his wings, so he might actually have some yellow in him. But he's got dark eyes, so he'll still have some grey. Number 5. Number 5, Little Random, Little Queen of Random. It hasn't gained much weight in the last 24 hours. I think she's not being fed all that much. I might have to supplement feed her. And you can see how she's got the very dark eyes. Okay. Here's number 4. Number 4. Let me see. Number 4 is Patchouli. Patchouli's got the pale eyes. You can see the difference. Look, they can't. There, you've righted yourself. Okay, see how the eyes are pink ringed as opposed to, oops, the dark ringed eyes. Little Random. Okay, so this one's going to be a pale grey, very pretty. A little patchouli. With chicks 1 and 2, you can see the fluff's starting to fall out. He's only 1 day older than this one here, Let's see how all the fluff's falling out. He's got a little bit more. And you can see the greys starting to sprout on the back of his wings there. But I think, pretty sure he's going to have some yellow in him. He'll be pretty like his mum. Okay. I also clean out the nest box every day. I scrape off the poo off the sides of the walls because they back up and poo against the walls, and then I just refresh the the shavings.